This is Jeff and Ann, 8208 Hampton Lake Lane. We've recently moved up to this address from Jupiter, Florida. And after renovating the inside of the house, this year in 2026, we've moved to the outside. Worked with the HOA to come up with a plan for the total property. Went to a few different companies. And based on the discussions, selected Rockaway. They prepared a plan that's in phases, 3 different phases. And we elected to do the rear of the property as phase 1, since we spend more time in the back of the house than the front of the house. We're very pleased with what they've done.
Yep, we met with the designer. Daniel came out and we talked extensively, walked the property, and decided, or he had asked questions, what do we like, what do we don't like. I don't know a whole lot about plants, but we knew that we didn't know anything about what would grow in Florida, so we left that up to him. The key thing for me was symmetry and color, and a design that had not so much green, but some kind of a nature look to it. So he came up with the idea of doing stones instead of mulch, which was another thing that we did not want mulch, and came up with this design that incorporated everything that we were looking for. And the plan has been executed, just like Jeffrey said, in the back so far, but it's exactly what the plan showed and exactly what we were looking for.
And what we were looking for compared to what was here was to open up the center area here so that we could look unobstructed out toward the 7th green of the golf course and country club, which obviously we've done. And also they put in Rockaway's put in a walkway here, which was really a mess when we got here.
And pavers.
So they put the pavers in, which looks wonderful. And the 2 areas now in the rear of the property that have the stones are excellent planting areas. We have some color in both of them, but they're not obstructing any view, and that's we wanted. I think the nice view that we have here to stand out.
Yeah, so he designed it exactly the way we would have hoped for.
The project manager, Dan, has been very flexible. We've made a few tweaks here and there. And
on top of everything, always here, checking in.
Very agreeable.
Oh yeah, wonderful. Yeah. Communication's been great. Yeah. Workers have been great.
Yeah, workers have been real good. They even worked through the rain, the little bit of rain that we've had. They were still working that day. And
we're very happy that we chose Rockaway.
Right.
And look forward to phase 2.